Would you pass GCSE Maths if you had to sit the exam tomorrow? Well, this is a ratio question from the foundation paper, so pause it, have an attempt, and see if you get it correct. The question tells us that we have the number of houses to the number of flats is in the ratio of 7:4, and the number of flats to the number of bungalows is in the ratio of 8:4. They tell us that there are 50 bungalows, so we can use the second line to work out how many flats we have. So if we have flats to bungalows in a ratio of 8:5, and we know we have 50 bungalows, we can put the 50 below the bungalows column, and we know we need to multiply by 10 to get to 50 from 5, so we also need to multiply by 10 to figure out how many flats we have for every 50 bungalows, which obviously tells us we have 80 flats. Now we're going to take that 80 flats and use our first bit of information to work out how many houses we have. So our houses to our flats is in the ratio 7:4. I'm going to change this to 14:8. It only helps me because I know I have 80 flats. Well, if I have 80 flats, I'm going to put it underneath this column, and I'm trying to work out how many houses I have for every 80 flats. So also multiply the 8 by 10 to get 80, and I then multiply my 14 by the same 10 to get 140 houses. So the answer to this question is 140 houses in the village if there are 50 bungalows.